Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of class UKG and the topic name is fill in the blanks. In this, the sentence are incomplete and we will have to fill correct word at proper place and then we will have to complete that sentence. So the first is dash your teachers. My dear students, which word we will fill in this sentence? See, I am going to give you the clue. Yes, in this picture, you can see the teacher is teaching to all the students and students are listening very carefully. They all are, whatever instruction the teacher is giving, they are listening. So, which word we will fill here? We fill obey. O-B-E-Y, obey. So, my dear students, we should obey our teachers. When you will obey your teachers, you can get success in your life. So, which word we will fill here? We will fill obey. O-B-E-Y, obey. Obey your teachers. Now, the next is D-O, do. Y-O-U-R, your. W-O-R-K, work. O-N, on. Dash. So, my dear students, which sentence is this? This is do your work on dash. So, which word we will fill here? I am going to give you the clue. You can see this picture. Yes. In this picture, you can see this boy is doing homework on time. So, which word we will fill here? Do your work on time. Yes, see. We will write do your work on time. My dear students, we should understand the value of time in our life. Whatever work we are doing, we should do on time. We should work on time. We should eat food on time. We should get up early in the morning. We should go to bed on time. So, whatever work we are doing, we should do on time. So, my dear students, we will fill here time. Do your work on time. Now, the next is dash your things. Y-O-U-R, your. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. So, my dear students, which word we will fill here? You can see in this picture, the two girls are playing. So, what they are doing? They are sharing to each other. They are giving the toys to each other and they are playing very nicely. In the same way, we should also share our things. So, my dear students, you will fill here share. S-H-A-R-E, share. We should share our things with our friends, with our brother and sisters, with our family members. So, my dear students, which word you will fill? You will fill here share. S-H-A-R-E, share your things. Now, the next is B-R-U-S-H, brush. Y-O-U-R, your. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Dash. I-N-A-D-A-Y, day. Brush your teeth dash in a day. So, my dear students, which word we will fill here? Now, I am going to give you the clue. You can say, yes, in this picture, what the child is doing? The child is doing the brush in the morning time. Yes, in the second picture, the child is doing the brush night time. So, this child is doing brush 2 times in a day. So, my dear students, which word you will fill here? You will fill here twice. T-W-I-C, twice. Brush your teeth twice in a day. Why? If you will do the brush 2 times in a day, then your teeth will be healthy. So, my dear students, we should do the brush twice in a day. Like this, you will fill this word. This is good for our teeth. If you will do 2 times in a day brush, then your teeth will be cavity free. Now, the next is wear dash clothes. Yes, in this picture you can see what this boy is doing. This boy is doing, yes, wearing cloth. Yes. So, which type of the clothes this boy is wearing? Clean clothes. Yes, wear clean clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. We should never wear dirty clothes. We should always wash our clothes nicely and then we should wear it. That is good for us. So, which word we will fill here? We will fill clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Wear clean clothes. Now, the next is T-H-R-O-W, throw, B-I-T-S, bits, O-F, off, P-A-P-E-R, paper, I-N-N, dash. Which sentence is this? Throw bits of paper in dash. Where we should throw the bits of paper? Say, my dear students, I am going to give you the clue. Yes. What have you seen in this picture? In this picture, you can see this child is collecting all the garbage and the bits of paper, and where this boy is throwing all the garbage? Throwing in the bin. Yes, we should not make our surroundings dirty. We should not make our floor dirty. We should not make our house, classroom dirty. Whatever the bits of papers are there and the garbage are there, we should throw in the bin. So, my dear students, yes, the bin spelling is B-I-N, bin. You feel like this? Throw bits of paper in bin. Now, the next is T-A-K-E, take, a B-A-T-H, path. So, my dear students, what is this? Take a bath, dash. Which word we should feel here? I am going to give you the clue. You can see the picture. Yes. In this picture, what have you seen? This boy is taking bath. So, we should take bath daily. D-A-I-L-Y, daily. Every day you should take bath. If you will take bath every day, that all the germs, whatever on your body, it will go and you will be fit and healthy. You feel fresh. So, my dear students, every day we should take bath. This is good for our health. So, which word we will feel? We feel here daily. D-A-I-L-Y, daily. Now, the next is A-L-W-A-Y-S, always. S-P-E-A-K, speak, dash. Which word we will feel here? See, I am going to give you the clue. Yes. In this picture, you can see the mother, she kept a cake on the table. And this child has eaten a piece of cake. So, the mother is asking, who did this? So, this boy is telling that I have eaten this cake. So, this boy is telling truth. So, my dear students, we should always speak truth. We should never tell a lie. We should never fear about that if I will speak the truth, somebody will scold. No, you should never fear about this. At any cost, in any condition, you should always speak truth. So, see how nicely this boy is accepting that what I have done, which mistake I have done, and he is telling to the mother with the confidence that yes, mama, I have eaten. In the same way, you should also speak truth in any condition. So, what you will feel here? Truth. T-R-U-T-H, truth. You can say yes. always speak truth. Truth, truth. Now the next is trim. Trim, trim. Your, your. Nails, nails, dash. So trim your nails, dash. Which word we will fill here? See, I am going to give you the clue. You can see what this boy is doing. This boy is trimming nails. So, trim your nails regularly. My dear students, we should trim our nails regularly. If you will not trim your nails regularly, then it will be very big. And while eating time, all the germs, it will go inside your stomach with this all the big nails. So that is not good for our health. This is very harmful. So my dear students, we should trim our nails regularly. Which word we will fill here? We will fill here regularly. 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 Now the next is the 10 number dash. The, N-E-E-D-Y, needy, P-E-R-S-O-N, person. Dash the needy person. So which word we will fill? I can give you the clue. Yes, you can see in this picture. In this picture you can see this boy is fallen down. So the another boy is helping, is trying to lift him, and he is just carrying, that is helping. So my dear students, we should also help to the needy person. This is good. We should always help to the any needy person. Whoever, either your friend, any unknown, any stranger is there, you should always ready to help to the needy person. Which word we will fill? We fill here help. H-E-L-P, help. Help the needy person. So like this, you will complete fill in the blanks. Thank you.